Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already need Business Manager, an ad account, and a Pixel or Conversions API. Once set, create your offer and tight lead form. Start by naming a campaign with the lead's objective and select the ad account and page you'll run from. Then choose placements, but make sure automatic placements are okay to start. They save time. Next, build a lead form with 3-5 fields, concise privacy text, and a clear CTA. This gets you rolling into audience and creative work. You'll now construct audience layers and creatives that convert. Start with a custom audience of website visitors or past leads, then add a 1% lookalike to scale. Use interest targeting as a layer, not your only filter. For creatives, test a short 1530s hook video or a bold image with a simple headline and CTA, making 3-5 variations. Set budget at ad set level, choose lowest cost bidding first, and apply a 7-day click conversion window to you're ready to launch. Once live, watch cost per lead, form completion rate, and CTR closely so you can act fast. If an ad set underdelivers after 48-72 hours, pause it and reallocate budget to winners. Concurrently run a /B tests on form length and creative. Make sure your pixel fires on key events and that offline data syncing is active if used. If tracking looks wrong, replay events with debugger. Confirm conversion API is sending, and check for policy disapprovals before relaunching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.